Hi guys, it's the 1st of June. The ISO has been released and remarks are coming in and suggestions are coming in. Thank you for that. One of the things is, for instance, that the Calamares, so Calamares is our installer, had a minimal requirement of 15 gigabyte. We have now an ISO that's much bigger. That means that we need to up the number, right? We forgot to do that. For the last 10 years, I don't think we ever changed that particular file. But yes, let me go to SourceForge, which is the fastest way. So back to the download the ISO, and then here we are, right? But let's not download. I need to go in here. It's downloading, I guess. We'll see. Thing is, what I want to show in this video is you have this access to the one of today, right? This one, click. Wait till it's there. And you have access to the one from May. And the rest I've deleted just out of courtesy for SourceForge because, hey, they provide us gigabytes and gigabytes of space and bandwidth. So we keep this one as reference and then we compare. Very important tool indeed. Remember, it's called Meld, and in my download folder I have now nothing. So where did he put it? Nowhere to be seen. Where did you put it? The wrong place. Not the right place. Don't do that, right? Stay out of my Kiro YouTube. Let's go to the desktop. That's where we work. And right mouse click, compare. What is different? 1.4 gigabyte more on the ISO, which means more on the virtual machine. And that's what happens, right? The 15 gigabyte was not enough anymore. Alacrity tweak tool is a new invention. We stepped away from PulseAudio to PipeWire. Probably the reason why we have this here. All the rest, the blue ones are okay. That just means, and they are getting fatter by the day, apps don't get smaller, right? Look at the 10 years from now, an Arch Linux ISO was 700 megabyte, 800 megabyte, and a few months ago, or more, I think, right? Years ago, we topped 1 gigabyte. And people were saying, Arch is getting fat. It's just packages getting bigger, right? And that's because of the versions. The versions are different. So the blue lines are not really our concern. It was already on May. It's just a new number. So what is new? This one is new. And driver for wireless is new. Broadcom, same thing as wireless. Yes, we have the CashOS keyrings and mirrorless, so we can get those packages in specifically for your GPU, right? NVIDIA stuff and other stuff. And this is the one that's going to do it. The CashOS hardware detection, CHWD. CPIO, some dependency for something, right? Dracula colors F12 for your XFCE terminal. Beautiful little thing. F12, it pops up, goes down, and press it again, and up, it's hidden again, right? It's out of the way, and you have a terminal quickly at your fingertips. I think we renamed things here. I don't know. This is, yeah. Well, so I stopped with the edu H block, and I just went for the H block, the official one from Arch. Finally, it's there, and everything is okay. So stop using that. And the chat WM, why is this not there? Because it's not on the ISO, right? It will still be maintained, but in second notice. The successor is Oh My Chat WM. That's a successor of Chat WM. It's better, it's more, well, you have a look. It's a completely different kind of approach to using DWM. FFmpeg is off. No, it's renamed, number 4, probably all together. There's a new firewall in there, true. GB common, no idea, right? The PipeWire plugin, as I told you, PulseAudio, no. PipeWire, yes. And here's the official H block coming in. Hardware detect, so you can know what system you have. It's a little app that says, okay, that's in your system. Can always help. Okay stuff. Now, if you see these things, you say, oh my God, I'm installing Plasma. You're not, right? But Calamares needs some of those things to be able to function. So at the end, we tell Pacman, have a look, remove Calamares and all the dependencies that go with it. So it's not on your system. All right, okay, cool. Yeah, this is something to read EPUBs. So a file for your e-reader is an EPUB, and this actually shows it in your tuner. I thought, why not? I have a sofa now. No idea what it is. My sofa. The couch. LibWirePlumber, again a package for PipeWire. Linux-zen is out, definitely, right? CacheOS is in, CacheOS is in, and the Zen is in, and the Zen is in. And all the rest is a bunch of updates and numbers. Okay. For me, also interesting exercise. This was for, I thought it was for Chinese and Taiwanese and all those languages, but it was needed for the icons that we're using in Oh My Chat WM. Guess what? I'm using Japanese things up there, right? Super F. This is actually Japanese. Tja, if I want that, I need to have the fonts. So, okay, it's in. Although I can't speak one word, one syllable of Japanese. Octopi is out. We used to have Octopi and PAMAC. I thought that was overkill. Let's go for PAMAC alone and then let you install Octopi in the ATT. PulseAudio mixer is in, so we can also use PipeWire and go say sound up. Peak is fun. Have a look. A little app that's interesting to make animated GIFs, PipeWire stuff. This is new, Plymouth, right? You've seen it when you boot up. A nice little logo of Kiro. And everything PulseAudio related is out. These are Python things for there for a reason, right? It needs it. Notifying things. Multimedia here is out. Qt6 was not needed for anything that we've put on here. Dependencies. What was SD? I'm gonna find out later. Short thing. Signal is out. It used to be on there. I'll install it later on. Source highlight. Dependency, not by choice. Time shift is a choice. That's on the system. Tune PD is making sure your system is up and running at performance level in the system. My decision. All the VLC stuff, I want it all, right? VLC is my player. And yeah, this is definitely, if VLC is not your thing, this is definitely something you need to remove. And I'll explain that as well. WirePlumber, again, the sound. And we're almost at, we are at the end. We're not almost at the end, we are at the end. So this gives you a clear view, always, any distribution out there, if they share the package list, right? You know what's going out, what's coming in. Just think that Calamares uses packages as well, and they will go out later on. All right, cheers.